Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nokia G21 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 5 camera pro tips for this device. So first of all, let's open up the camera. The first, I would say the first two tips are located at the settings, so let's go ahead and open them as well. So the first thing I would like to share with you in this video is the fact that you can just go to the settings, and by altering the grid line switch, so respectively turning it on, you can go ahead and activate this grid lines, which will allow you to align your shot or well, just overall take the better pictures with the camera of your Nokia device. You can split your shot into even parts using the grid line and all other kinds of stuff. So basically, we can definitely say that those grid lines will upgrade your camera game significantly. The next tip that I would highly recommend that you try playing with is the fact that you can not only enable the watermark but also customize it. So let's open the settings again. Here, go for the watermark. Here we can choose what design it will have. Basically, choose the, for example, personalized image. So we can even download some image like this one, for example, and as you will see, we'll have it as our watermark. You can also get some PNG picture with the absolutely transparent background, so put some objects as your watermark, some custom objects. There is also the switch that is called live preview, and it will, once activated, it will also show it not only at the photo or video you take after you actually took them, but also the preview at the viewfinder. There are some, I would say, a very vast set of standard watermark library, all kinds of designs, different messages. For example, let's say I want to go with this one. Let me choose it. Oh, sure, yeah, I gotta firstly turn on this personal message. So let's go ahead and type in hard reset, for example. Tap on OK, and now we can choose how exactly this custom message will look like. For example, this design, we can go with basically either one of those. I'll leave it at this font, for example. And we can also choose whether we want this watermark to show the device information. So basically, after you customize the watermark design, let's go ahead and try it out. As you can see, the watermark preview is being at the viewfinder because we have left the respective switch on. So let's take the picture of this hard reset logo, and if we'll go to the gallery, we'll see that our custom watermark has been successfully applied. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the next feature, which is the fact that the camera of Nokia G21 device has the built-in Google Lens. In order for you to access it, you gotta tap on this very icon. And now you'll see the Google Lens sign. That means that you have successfully entered the Google Lens. Here you can translate anything that you take the picture of, take a photo of some words to copy, like for example, I have this, what is it? It's like some cleaning liquid. I'll take the photo of it. And as you can see, this the liquid name, which is Ludwig, it has gotten successfully recognized, and we can, for example, copy it from here, or listen to it, translate, and do all other kinds of stuff. It also has some other useful features, like searching for something. If you want to take perform image search, it's a very useful option to have. You can point your camera at the homework and capture some math problem or anything like that in order for the Google Lens and AI to help you with it. Some shopping tool that will find the products, or if you'll take the photo of those products or the barcodes. You can also place your frame at some building to get some details on it, and the same goes for dining pretty much. So that's it. That's all basically have to know about the Google Lens. We are moving on to the next feature, which is the fact that it's a very short feature, but still, it is the fact that you can tap anywhere at the viewfinder, tap and hold, and after that, as you can see, this bar appears that allows you to if you do not lay off your finger, of course, it allows you to regulate the brightness level of your shot. So let me put something colorful in the frame. As you can see, once I move it upwards, the brightness level increases, and vice versa, obviously. And the fifth and final tip for this video is the cool feature that Nokia G21 camera has that is called motion photo. In order for you to activate it, you gotta tap on this very icon, and once it turns blue, that means that the motion photo mode is on. So what is it? What this mode is? It's basically just a photo and video in one box. So let's see, as you can see right now, in the photo mode. I'll tap on the shutter button, move my phone around for a little bit, and once I go to the gallery, and in order for me to see this picture, I can either like look at it and like see it as a picture, as it is right now, or I can tap and hold in order for me to see this small video that has been recorded, as you can see. So you can capture some very small moments of yours, for example. Very useful feature, and a handy one as well. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!